Mail call day. Are you ready? Let's get right to it. Enough is enough. So, here we go. Mr. Announcer got something all wrapped up in here, and we're going to open it up. Here we go. And it is a pen. It comes like this, out like that, and there it is. And would you like to say the name of this beautiful pen?
Okay, this one is called a Fullerton Silver Lion Fountain Pen.
Right. All right, and we will be doing a full review on this pen. You have to excuse Mr. Announcer. He's under the weather right now, or maybe he is in the weather.
That hurricane force is what it feels like.
Yes. So, Mr. Announcer, what's wrong with you?
It's allergies.
Oh, he's allergies. Oh, my God. Okay, so now we got another box. Milk call day. I don't know what it is, for real. I really don't know what it is. I wasn't even expecting it. So, we're going to open it like that. And then we're going to do like that. And like that. And again like this. And here we go. Boy, this is like a Christmas day all together in one day, all together for 5,000 years.
Shut up and open the box.
Okay, here we go. Well, my friends, I do like to share this with you. Here it is. And this is for our cats. Yes.
Oh, it's a scratching post
Yeah,
bed thing.
bed thing. Yeah. You know, we've had 3 cats, and we've had them like forever. So we're trying to make them feel more comfortable. I guess that's the word. You know, cats are totally different than dogs. Totally different. Way different. Totally different breed. So now we're learning about 13 years later about cats. So why didn't we do it before? I don't know. Good question. Really, we thought you have some cats and you give them their food and get them their cat trees and get them their shots and pet them if they want it, and that's it. Well, there's more to it than that. It's a whole lot more involved. So, here it is. We have I think a 5-foot cat tree. We have a 7-foot cat tree, and now this, we have this is going to be a shorter one, and it's going to be something like this. Let me show you. This is going to go here, and then this is going to go on top, so the cat can scratch here, lay down here, and go on top of there. So, that's what's happening today. So, and before I close it up, another package here. Right here is another package. And all I'm going to say I'm not even going to open it yet. Because what's inside this box would be like if you were blasting off to the moon, and I'll leave it at that. Peace and love. And don't text anybody while you're driving. But let me change that up a little bit. Be kind to people out there. Respect others as you would want others to respect you. Do something nice for somebody, to a complete stranger. You may be standing in the grocery line and somebody is buying a loaf of bread. Wouldn't that be nice just to buy a loaf of bread for somebody or some milk? Or you could be at a coffee shop, buy somebody a cup of coffee. Open the door for somebody. And here's something that doesn't cost you anything. Good morning, ma'am, or good morning, sir. Have a good day. Just being kind. And you know what? That goes a long way. That's something that you don't hear every day anymore. That's something that people just ain't digging. It sure beats all the fussing and fighting, name calling and racism and dogging people and stealing and killing and butchering and all the other crimes involved in it. That's a total drag, because that ain't cool. Welcome, my hearty har friends. That's a peace symbol. And that means peace for you. But what is that, Mr. Announcer?
That would be a heart.
And that means?
I love you.
And that's for me! Okay, so, right here in this box, you know, I was going to open up this here box. Should I or not?
Well, I guess you could call it mail appearance rather than mail call.
Let's just do that because I don't want to give it all away. All I'm going to share with you right now is that it's from one of my favorite all inks. Now, if you keep up with Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews, automatically you're going to know who I'm talking about. Yes. Okay, I'll give you a hint. You twisting my arms like that. My poor little bitty dinky arms. They pour their own ink. How's that? This box right here is going to contain blow your mind ink, and that's all I'm going to say until my next show. A lot of peace and a lot of love to all you people out there. Hearty ho, peace and love, and no tension. I will talk to you later. Goodbye.
Actually, if you want to send me PayPal $1, I can come in tonight after Larry goes to sleep and actually open it myself and let you know.
Wow, for $1?
Yeah.
God, that's a cheap sellout for me. Wow, he just threw me under the bus for $1. Wow. Huh. That's pretty cool.
Okay, don't text and drive.
Bye!